There's a way you take me up from down and place my feet on solid ground.
I tried it one time. They was like, "What's HIPAA?" I was like, "All right, don't worry about it."
Well, I wasn't gonna say anything, but I'm a therapist, so I know what HIPAA is.
See, I like
it. And so when you said it was HIPAA certified, I just laughed. Hey guys, welcome to a productive day in my life Sunday reset vlog. I don't think I've spoken to you guys since the beginning of this video, so welcome. I am exhausted. I feel like I've been on the go since 10 this morning and it's currently 2:21. So next up I'm going to get my nails done. You guys, can you believe that I've only had these nails for like a week and some days, and this one broke when I was getting gas. This one is snapping in half. My battery's gonna die. Let me change this out. All right, so what I'm going to be doing next is getting my nails done. I was trying to share earlier before my camera died that you guys, I only had my nails done for, let me tell you the exact number of days so you guys won't think I'm exaggerating. I got my nails done on the 9th. It is currently the 19th. So I've had my nails done only for 10 days, guys. Why is this already broke? Why is this already broke? One of my nails on my toes are chipped. I'm just like, you know what? That's why you shouldn't cheat on your nail tech. She wasn't available and I had to go to a whole nother shop. But the thing is, I needed my nails done on that day. So now I just feel like, oh my gosh, I spent all this money. The design is actually, it's cute. I was going for like a zebra print, but I don't like my base coat. I don't get this base color. It's too light and too ashy for me. I like something more neutral. You guys know my base coat that I normally get. I've shared this before. And I guess I don't know what I was expecting to get because I didn't go to the same nail shop. I didn't give the tech the same exact shade that I typically get from my base coat. So yeah, but I showed him a picture, whatever. Anyway, so what I'm currently doing right now is I am looking for inspo on Pinterest. That's typically what I do before I get my nails done. So let's see. I think I want to keep my almond shape. I feel like I want something neutral. But what do I want though? Let's see. Guys, I'm tempted to do short French. There was this one time that I got it and I loved it so much. Am I ready for short French though? Because my nails go pretty long, so I don't mind cutting them. I'm just not sure if I'm ready to if I'm ready to change my shape yet. Anyway, when you guys will find out in the next clip what I ended up getting.